How to remove TikTok streak. So if you want to remove TikTok streak, then what you need to do is first open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok, you need to go with your profile, which is on the bottom right, and then go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and go with settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you need to go with notifications, and under notifications, you need to scroll down and then find the option of streaks. Once you find it, you can go and turn it off. When turned off, you won't receive streak notifications, but the streak feature will remain active. Now, there is actually no way of turning off the streaks feature itself. However, if you want to remove the streak from a particular message, that all you have to do is not interact with each other for 24 hours. Once you do that, the streak batches will disappear from both of you. Just don't interact in the chat. If the other person keeps sending you messages, you can simply tap and hold on to the conversation, and then you can go and delete. And in this way, you'll be able to remove TikTok streak. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.